In property management, more listings mean more work, right? Not anymore. Enter Guesty's AI Agents, a digital team that scales your business, not your overhead. This isn't another AI plugin. These agents are built directly into your Guesty PMS. They know your business because they live in your data. The Guesty Agents Hub is the new command center for your entire operation. You'll find agents for every operational or business need. Marketing, operations, finance, guest comms. Name a task, there's an agent for that. Choose agents from hundreds available in the hub and activate them instantly. They get to work, the job gets done. Here's what that looks like. A guest reports a broken AC. The comms agents reply with empathy, while the ops agents immediately create and manage an urgent maintenance ticket. At the same time, the finance agents scan hundreds of reservations, reconcile your payments, and flag a missing deposit before you even open your laptop. But they don't just react, they anticipate. If a property's revenue suddenly dips, the revenue agents flag the anomaly, diagnose the cause, and hand you an action plan before the owner even asks. You command the entire operation. Review their logs, approve critical decisions, and watch your business run with complete transparency. It's a fully functioning digital team, connecting and exchanging information so your business never skips a beat. Want a new workflow? Request an agent or build your own on top of Guesty's data with the MCP. You make the rules. The agents execute. You focus on growth. Activate your AI property management team today.